This is Gallagher123123.
Finder.
And in this video, I have another jailbreak tutorial for you guys on changing the voiceover sound scheme using netatalk. Now, netatalk is a system that you have to use on a Mac. So if you don't have a Mac, this method will not work. However, Windows users, don't despair. I'll be helping you in another video. But I'm going to cover this one first because it's the easiest. So, first what you have to do is install netatalk, which I'll show you, how to search for it. But I already have it installed. I'll just show you how to search in Cydia. So I'm going to unlock my device.
10:35 a.m. Monday. Unlock button.
Now I'm already using a custom sound scheme, which are leopard sounds.
Unlock. FaceTime. One new item.
And now I'm going to find the Cydia.
Stops.
Actually, Spotlight, because I'm too lazy to find it.
Search field is editing. Search iPod. C. Camera. Top search result. TC conference. Y. Top search. Search field is editing. Applications. Cydia.
And there's Cydia, so we'll open it.
Alert. Loading.
And it's loading, as it just said. This takes a couple seconds.
Home. Heading.
And now, you're going to put your finger down for the tabs at the bottom.
Select alert. Loading.
It's doing its loading stuff. Hold on.
Screen curtain off.
Turn off my screen curtain so I
Arrow
can
curl.
see.
World. And fate. Selected. Cydia. Tab. 1 of 5.
So there are 5 tabs. Cydia.
Sources. Tab. 2 of 5.
Sources. We'll have to look at that in another video.
Changes. Tab. 3 of 5.
Changes.
Installed. Tab.
Installed.
Search. Tab.
And
5
search.
of 5.
We're going to go to search.
Alert. Loading. Empty list. Package names and descriptions. Search field.
Now if you
Search
start
field.
typing
Package names and
netatalk,
description. Capital N. November. Capital N. D. R. E. E.
so I'm typing in.
T. T. A. A. Netatalk flip switch. Netatalk.
You want that first one, netatalk.
Search. Back button. Netatalk. Modify. Modify. Button.
Now since I have it installed, I have a modify button, but you would just simply see an install button, and then you'd click confirm, and it would install it. And then you have to
FaceTime. One new item.
reboot your device for it to work properly. Okay, now that you have netatalk, this is how you change your sound scheme. Now I'll provide a link in the description to some that various people have made. If it's not up by the time you see this video, don't worry, I'll have it up sometime today. So now we're going to find the sound schemes folder that I have.
Doc. Sound schemes folder. Open. List view table.
The one I want to apply is called Android.
Andre Lewis folder. Android sounds for iOS folder. Collapsed disclosure triangle.
And that's the one we want, so I'll just open that.
Open. List view table.
Now, you're going to see a folder called Sounds.
Sounds folder.
You need to copy this. So to copy in a Mac, it's Command-C.
Copy. Sounds.
Now, if you've tried iFile and you're able to navigate it, you can also pretty much follow these directions. So we've copied the Sounds folder. Now you need to press Command-Shift-K to get into your network.
Network. List view table.
And the first result will be your iPod. So now we're going to open that.
Open. List view table.
And you want to VO left once to the Connect As button.
Connect as button.
So now VO space on that.
Press disconnect button.
Ooh, what?
List view. Connect as button. Press application. System dialog. Contains secure text.
Now I'll show you what you have to do, but I already have this filled in.
Remember this path name. Image. Enter your name and password for the server. Collins iPod.
Okay, so that's what you need to do. So now you have to VO right.
Name. Root. Contents.
You have to put root in the name field. ROOT. And then
Password.
password
Contains secure text 6 characters.
is Alpine. ALPINE. And then
Remember this password in my keychain. Check
you
checkbox.
can have it remember the password. And that's up to you. I have it checked because it makes it quicker. So I don't have to be entering that every single time.
You are currently up.
So now we're going to VO right until we find OK.
Can't connect.
Or
Default button.
the connect button. So I'm going to VO space, control option space on that.
Press connect. Default button.
And it just repeats, connect default button. And it takes a minute. It's connecting to the iPod.
Finder.
Or
Collins iPod window.
Or your phone. Alright. So now you're going to find a folder or volume called root.
List view table.
You have home.
Root. Home.
And you have root.
Root.
So we're going to open the root volume.
Open list view table.
And we're going to locate a folder.
One row added.
Now, you got to follow this closely, okay? These are the folders you're going to need to go to because you're right inside your device now. You need to type in system.
You are currently on a
system.
System folder. Collapsed disclosure triangle. August 20.
Open that up.
Open list view table.
There's only one folder in here, which is the one we need, library.
One row added. Row 1 expanded. Library folder.
Open that.
Open list view table. 59 rows added. Row 1
and the folder we need is called core services.
Core services folder. Collapsed disclosure triangle.
Open that up.
Open list view table. 23.
And now we're going to find a .app
Row 1
file
expanded.
called voiceover touch. So now what you're going to do is type VO.
Voiceover touch.app application. Today, 10:31 a.m. Application.
So now that you've found that, you need to do VO Shift M, Control Option Shift M.
Menu, 16 items.
And choose Show Package Contents.
Show package open. Show package contents.
Now, press Enter.
Closing, 50 rows added. Row 1 expand.
And now you can just paste, and it will ask if you want to replace everything.
Paste item, now in, copy, window. Keep newer button. Replace all button.
You can do that or
Keep stop but list
we'll
view.
stop and we'll go
Sounds folder.
and delete the sounds
Move
folder,
to track.
which actually may be a good idea.
Are you can't delete button. Now
Just
in trash.
Just so you don't get duplicates of anything. So we'll just paste this in.
Paste item. One row added. Spanish.lproj fold. Now in copy window. Informate copying 43 items to voiceover touch.app. Now in voiceover.
And now you should have your sounds folder.
Sounds folder.
So now what you're gonna do is go back to
Computer.
Go to
List.
computer with Command Shift C.
Root volume.
Locate your root volume and eject it.
Eject root.
You don't have
No
to
row
do
selected.
that, but I always think it's better to do that. Okay.
iTunes Store. App Store. Passbook.
Now that you've done that, you have to restart VoiceOver
Voiceover off.
and turn it back on.
Voiceover on. Stops. Game Center. Newsstand. iTunes Store. App Store. Passbook. Settings. Page 1 of 5. Mail. Mail. FaceTime. One new item.
And there's your new sound scheme. It's installed and ready to go.
Screen locked.
So I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial on changing your sound
Close.
scheme. Now, I'll be doing a video, hopefully a day this week, on how to do this using iFile, which is a file manager that is installed on your device. So that would be the way you do it if you don't have access to a computer. And that way is pretty simple as well. And I'll show you how to do that. So,
Quick.
I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.
QuickTime player. Screen. Interact with. Do you want to save it? What document? Can't save button.